Okay, a quick update starting with the commodities, starting with silver. Silver had what looks like an extremely bullish close on the monthly. So I am looking for this to rise over the next handful of months. The gold-silver ratio, as I mentioned on the weekend, is favoring a move in silver over gold, but they both look pretty bullish here. So I'm feeling this is a long move. Now we have what looks like a bullish type of wedge, disregarding the flash crash, a bullish type of wedge here. So I'm looking for a long into this. Just a question of finding the place to enter. Okay, actually let's go with pound US dollar cable. It's trying to find a high here up in the wedge. Now, Bank of England rates will be on Thursday, and the market needs to top out in this region because a lot of traders are looking at this same plan. Now, I presented a bullish case on Friday or Saturday in the weekend video about the dollar, and I'm going to look for that to kick in if it does correct here, because there is a possibility that this is also a leading diagonal. So, I mean, the bearish case is clear, but keep in mind these can morph. This is looking very similar to Euro US dollar back in March and April right now. Okay, no other change as such, except Aussie US dollar is looking weak. I am looking for a correction in this. No change from the weekend. Looking for a correction in this. And I have not altered the cable count. This looks okay. Let's see if we can get a wave 4 correction out of this. The only problem for the bulls in Euro Australian is that so far this leg is looking quite choppy, the current move up. It has the option though to move higher. It is possible. There's no reversal sign as such yet. It's just that the rise is looking a bit choppy, but it's there to move higher. Now if the Australian dollar weakens further, it will open. It will be able to move higher, obviously. Now, just to state the obvious, Aussie, New Zealand. Now this, my view on this has not changed. I mentioned on Monday to step back, that I'm stepping back from this for the time being. Now, how to look at this? There is another view I'm currently holding on this. Now, the most obvious view on Aussie, New Zealand is that this may be forming a triangle here. Now, I think some traders are looking at this as an A, B, C, D, E, and a move down. I mean, that's the clear view. I am holding a different view. I'm viewing this as an impulsive wave up, and I'm looking for long positions overall, but I'm staying bearish in this region here. As you can see, it's in the middle of a trend. If you put like this, well, okay. It's essentially in the middle of a big trend. That was not the best line, but tired people make tired moves. Just one moment. Now, what I wanted to say about this is that there's another way to view this. There are many ways to view corrections. How I would look at this is that we may have an A wave, a 3-wave move here, and now I can actually consider the current swing a small triangle for a B wave, where we have an A, B, C, D, and E, and then a move down for a new low. So I'm considering that as a triangle in this region because it's looking kind of choppy. It's moving around in threes, and I'm holding it bearish, however, and I am still looking for a move lower towards 102. There's no change to my larger view in this. I'm just considering another possibility on the daily that we may be looking at a small triangle in this region, because on the shorter time frames, on the 4-hour, now there's a big bearish candle on the weekly, but we've seen only what looks so far like a 3-wave move. I'm not going to view this as a flat here, because the move up has only been 3 waves too. So I'm wondering if we're going to see another 3-wave move like this and then a turnover. So I'm going to hold it short and look for a move down. Trying to get the double top idea going in Bitcoin, as I mentioned, for the possible flat. That is my current preferred view. I feel we haven't quite made it there yet, but well, I don't have a trade in this. To me, this is looking like it's near a top. I'm just wondering if it's going to thrust higher and then possibly reverse based off of the weekend analysis. No change in the dollar. Okay, sorry, this is a low energy video. I'm exhausted. However, no essential changes. The big news in this is what looks like a very good silver market for the next few months to the upside. Okay, bye-bye.